As mentioned in the introduction, the goal of this course is to build an authentication microservice that implements two routes responsible for handling login and sign-up requests sent by the client. More specifically, their job is to parse and validate the payload of incoming requests using middleware functions that we'll cover in the next sections, and then either generate an access token in the case of a login operation, or create a new record in the database in case of a sign-up operation. So let's create two new files within the controller's directory named login and signup. Now, since the service layer is not implemented yet, let's write the following module in the login file that exports a controller that responds with an HTTP 501 not implemented and copy it over in the signup file. Let's now import both controllers in the server module and mount them accordingly on the auth login and auth signup routes using the post method of the server instance. Finally, let's test these endpoints using the following curl commands, which should at the moment both respond with an HTTP 501 not implemented.